Hi there, this is Marnie. I'm going to help you with the grading calculator in case you have forgotten what it is and how to use it, or you've never even heard of it. The grading calculator makes sure, it helps you ensure that you have followed policy 5030 from LCPS and their grading policies. The policy states that you must have at least a minimum of 4 major summatives with one corresponding formative. So if you're doing the bare minimum, then you only need 8 columns in your grade book. Major, formative, major, formative, major, formative, major, formative, period. That's it. You are not required anywhere to use minor. In fact, I would actually request that you not, because it makes things more complicated. Using the calculator will catch any mistakes you may have so that you can fix it before a parent who does know what's going on calls you on the carpet. So this grading calculator, when you open it up, you can get the link to it from the grading timeline that I sent out and that Matt sent out. You can ignore the title of summative assessment. We don't care. The blue and green, this column, that just gives you basically the directions. You want 4 green boxes and however many blues you've got, but you can't have less than 4 green boxes. In your grade book, you go ahead and take the max, you take the points, not max points, but points. So I've taken a random teacher's grade book. I'm not going to name any names. I'm going to put in the assignments that this person has as 100, 100, 100, 70, 40, 30. Done. Okay. So this teacher is in compliance. She has 4 grades labeled major. They're green. Green means major. So that's perfect. None of them are over 25%, which is correct as well. These 2 grades, because they're in between a certain percentage range, they are considered minor summatives. If in your grade book you have these things labeled something other than what shows up on this grade book, this calculator, then you need to change it. For example, let's pretend that this person typed in, this was a major, I'm going to big M, little m, well, that's silly. So M, 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 and let's pretend they called that one a major because they thought 40% was enough, and then they called that last one a minor, little m. This whole row here tells you that that's not a major summative. It is, in fact, a minor summative. So she would need to go back into her grade book and make sure it's labeled as a minor. Okay. That's it. If you have any questions about this, if you are not in compliance and you don't understand it, please come see me, come see Matt, either tomorrow, Friday, or next Tuesday. I'll be in the building on our work day. Thank you so much. I appreciate your patience.